So hey guys, this will be a quick little video here showing an easy way to add some color to your engine compartment. If you remember on my Accord, I did that. It's easy to do. There's not as much to wrap on this car though. I've noticed on this engine. It's not as much you can use these wire looms for. But you can still add some color depending on what your preference is. So I just use this split wire loom. You can get anywhere. Amazon has it, eBay, very easy. They have different diameters too. Just split on one side and you just go ahead and wrap your existing wires or even your existing wire looms. That's what I like to do. So things like this you can wrap. Anything pretty much that I would say is like a hose or plastic you could wrap. Stay away from like the manifold or anything like that. That's gonna melt it, of course, but you can wrap this stuff. Just a nice way to tidy it up, make it look a little cleaner. Like I said, it's cheap. This stuff runs about $8 for a pack. I think it's about 30 feet. So that's probably enough to do this. I'm gonna change this emblem here eventually too. This just pops up. Has some pins underneath it. You take the engine cover off and it'll just come off. So gonna do a little bit of color coordinating in here and just dress it up just a bit. So I'll go ahead and put these wire looms on and show you. Okay, so like I said, there's not a whole lot to wrap. I was expecting a lot more, but I did these few areas here. These little tubes in here. And I ran a few here on this fluid, the fluid line here. Wrap that. So just enough, like you can use red, different color, depending, like I said, your theme. I'm gonna do a lot more here. Change the engine cover a little bit. There's not a whole lot. This thing sinks so far back due to the Type S having a bigger engine in here. So there's not a whole lot to wrap, where the Accord, the firewall was a lot closer here that you could wrap different parts to. So not gonna be as drastic difference as that car, but still just an easy way to clean it up. Like I said, if you guys like the red theme, you can get red wire looms. They have blue. They have all kinds of colors. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I always appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.